Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to the DevOps training. And today we are going to discuss and today we are going to see how we can create our first project in Git. So guys, basically, first we need to initialize the Git bash as we was working on the Git bash. So here I have initialized my Git bash over here. So basically Git will use the Unix command prompt or Unix commands by itself on their bash. So we need to find out where we are currently, where my Git is currently pointing out. So I need to type pwd. That's the command to recognize or to verify the current working directory. Okay, so currently I'm working in C users anshul.chauhan. So it is like this in my system. If I will go to C, then users, then anshul.chauhan. So currently my Git is at this particular position. Okay, guys. Now I want to create a new project inside the Git. Okay, so basically, as we have already discussed, we are using Git for the version control of our data of information, and definitely if we are getting or if we are containing our data somewhere in a machine, then definitely that should be in some kind of directory, that should be named some kind of files. Okay, that could be like that. So I will go to my desktop. Okay, and here I will create a new directory, new folder. Say name is Peter. Okay, name is Peter. Okay, so you can see directory with the name of Peter is being created over here. And if I will open this particular directory, so there is nothing. The particular directory is basically empty directory. So I don't have anything in this particular directory. The Peter is a blank directory for now. Okay, guys. Now, for me, it's a directory. But when I configure it with the Git, then it will become a Git project for the Git. But still, it will be a directory for me. Okay, because what is this? This is the archival. This is a kind of archival for me. This is a kind of you can say the folder in which I can contain a lot of files or a structured way the files. Okay, but for Git it's a project because Git will contain this as a source directory or source project and start working on this particular directory inside your machine. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So we was working on the, you can see the git bash. So currently I am in pwd. Okay, so sorry, currently I'm in anshul.chauhan. So guys, if you want to move, let's see how we can move from the particular directory to some other directory. So this is the command pwd, how we can see where my git is currently pointing out. So if you want to see the particular data which is present inside the particular directory, like currently I'm under an anshul.chauhan, so I want to see what data is present inside this directory. So I need to put a simple command ls. That's it. When I press the enter, so you can see in this particular directory these are the folders and these are the files. Okay, so you can see Android SDK, Android Studio projects, app data. There are a lot of things available over here. Okay, but inside the same I have something which is called desktop. See over here. Okay, now let's see how you can move from one directory to another directory inside the Windows, and same inside the Unix as well. So suppose I want to exit from this directory. I want to exit from this directory and want to move some particular directory like users. So for this you need to put C space dot dot and press enter. Okay, so you can see currently you are inside the C users. Using the pwd you can verify it. Okay, but if I will put ls over here, so I have these particular directories inside this particular users, the administrator, all users, Anshul Chauhan, default user, and something like that, public. But as I have already seen, my desktop, I have kept my particular directory on my desktop, and my desktop is present inside this particular directory in my project, in my machine directory structure. So what I need to do, I need to again go to anshul.chauhan. So if you want to move to some directory like anshul.chauhan or any directory what you want, then you need to type cd, type some name of your starting name of your directory and press tab. So it will automatically complete your directory name like this, anshul.chauhan. I have just typed ans and press tab. So it will automatically identify and complete your directory name. Okay. If you have more than one directory with the same name, definitely it will provide you options. Okay, this. So you can select and you can type some meaningful information. So okay, so it will save you time. I will go to anshul.chauhan. I will again make the command ls. here I have the directory which is called desktop. Okay, so I need to go to this desktop. I need to go to this desktop. Okay, pwd. Currently I'm inside the desktop. I will put again the ls command to verify what directories are present on my desktop. Okay, so here you can see on my desktop, here is Peter. Okay, Peter is here. Okay, you are getting different things in different you can see the colors. So the exe file, the executable file or the link files are in the green color, then the text file are in the white color, and the directory is in the blue color. So here is the Peter. I need to go to the directory in my Peter. I need to go to my directory like Peter or my project directory. Okay, so I will go to the Peter. Here I will put the ls command and you can see I'm getting nothing, so Peter is blank. Now what I need to do, I need to initialize to configure a particular directory or a particular project. Obviously, if you have any project, any Java project or any other project, or you have some kind of say you have a lot of you can say the photos available on your desktop or files available on your desktop, but you want to push over the Git, and you don't believe your system will crash anytime, so you want to push these files or these data over the Git, then definitely first you need to make that particular directory as a Git project. Okay, and for that we need to initialize the Git in that particular directory. Okay, so for to initialize the Git in any particular directory, what we need to do, we need to go to that particular directory from the Git bash, like we are here. If you say the pwd, then I'm C users Anshul Chauhan desktop Peter, and Peter is the directory which I have created earlier before, like this. Okay, and here I need to push a command git init. That's it. I need to push the command git init. Sorry, I need to type the command git init and press enter. So you can see you will get a message, initialized empty git repository in C users Anshul Chauhan desktop Peter.git. Now currently I'm inside the Peter. Earlier when I put the ls command on Peter, so I get nothing over here. You can see I'm getting nothing after the ls. Now if I will put the ls in the same directory, then I will get something. Okay, I'm still not getting anything because oh, my mistake, because that particular git directory is hidden for any particular project. Okay, so I need to go to the desktop, open the Peter, and you can say .git is over here. Earlier this was empty. If I will open the .git, here are some configurations present which Git has set for this particular project. Now for Git, it's a Git project. For me or for users, it's simply a directory, but for Git, it's a Git project. So guys, this is the way how you can create your first Git project, how you can initialize the Git in any directory or in any project. Okay. If one more thing, guys, that was the way how we can do that, but definitely there is another way as well. I need to create another directory like okay, and we will create a directory like tuna. Okay, and suppose I want to initialize my Git over here, so I need to simply go to that particular directory. Okay, right click over here, and if you successfully install the Git inside your system, then you will get a link over here like Git bash here. See, I'm getting the Git GUI and Git bash. We will discuss about the Git GUI in later tutorials, but right now we need to see how we can use the Git bash. I need to click it, and by default Git bash will open in this particular directory. You can see desktop tuna, and I need to just put the command git init, git initialize, and Git is being initialized over here. You can see. Okay, right guys, so that's the only that's the thing, that's the command how we can initialize the Git inside any directory, or how we can create a simple Git project. In coming tutorials we will see a lot of things. In next tutorial we will see how we can push the commits and changes in the Git. So thank you guys, thanks for your time.